Welcome to Kitty TV. Hi kids, welcome to the farm. Today we are going to meet some of the animals who live here. Are you ready to learn the names and the sounds they make? Let's go. This is a cow. Can you say cow? Yes, cow. Cow gives us milk. Cow sounds moo moo. That's right. Cow says moo. This is a sheep. Can you say sheep? Yes, sheep. Sheep have wool. Sheep sounds Baba. Great job. Sheep says Baba. This is a pig. Can you say pig? Yes, pig. Pig love mud. Pig sounds oink oink. That's the sound a pig makes. Oink oink. Here's a chicken. Can you say chicken? Yes, chicken. Chickens lay eggs. Chicken sound cluck cluck. That's right. Chicken says cluck cluck. This is a horse. Can you say horse? Yes, horse. Horses run very fast. Horse sounds neigh neigh. Good. Horses say neigh neigh. This is a duck. Can you say duck? Yes, duck. Ducks like to swim. Duck sounds quack quack. Nice. Duck says quack quack. This is a rabbit. Can you say rabbit? Yes, rabbit. Rabbit gives us wool and fur. Okay kids, let's remember what we learned. Cow says moo. Sheep says Baba. Pig says oink oink. Chicken says cluck cluck. Horse says neigh neigh. Duck says quack quack. Great job little farmers. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye.